Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying support. Check the TCL TV menu for Chromecast built in, or plug a Chromecast into an HDMI port. Once done, power the TV and select the correct HDMI input if you use a dongle. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. Open Google Home, grant Bluetooth and location so it can discover the device. Follow the on-screen pairing prompt to link the TV and phone, because secure pairing establishes a trusted connection for casting. You now complete configuration. When Google Home finds the Chromecast, confirm the 4-digit code shown on your TCL screen. This step prevents connecting to the wrong device. Next, name the device and assign a room. This makes voice commands and multi-room groups work cleanly. Make sure to choose the TV's preferred audio output and picture mode. Update firmware if prompted, since updates fix bugs and add features. Finally, test by casting a short video from a supported app to verify smooth playback and audio sync. You're ready to cast. Open a supported app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and choose your TCL Chromecast. Once connected, play content and use the app or TV remote to control playback. If performance lags, make sure the phone and Chromecast share the same network and move the router closer to reduce interference. As a single troubleshooting tip, restart your TV and router first. If casting still fails, power cycle the Chromecast, and only then perform a factory reset to restore defaults and retry setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.